Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Docker. Today we are going to learn about the life cycle of the Docker containers. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first one is Docker create. This command creates a new container but does not start it. It prepares the container based on the specified image and the configuration but leaves it in a stopped state. Example Docker create hyphen it name of my container my image. So this is how you can create that one. Docker rename. This command allows you to rename a Docker container. It is useful when you want to change the name of an existing container to more meaningful or descriptive name. So example is Docker rename old name to the new name. Docker run. This command combines the creation and the start of the container in a single operation. It is one of the most commonly used commands to launch and run the containers. Docker run -it name of my container and the image. Docker rm. This command is used to delete, remove a Docker container. It can remove the containers that are either running or just stopped. Example Docker rm my container. Next, we have a Docker update. This command is used to update a container's resource limits or the configurations. It allows you to modify certain parameters of a running container without recreating it. Example Docker update CPUs to my container. So these commands, when used appropriately, contribute to the various stages in the life cycle of the Docker containers from creation to the management and eventually removing or updating. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. We are going to have a detailed section on that, we will create with the help of the Docker create, Docker rename, Docker run. Okay, so we will do all of these things in the later series. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.